ProTrader has a few trailing stop loss methods. Of course, traders can always just use moving averages or support breaks or any method they want, but if you look on the left-hand panel here, there's also 4 different trailing stop loss methods in the system. The one I've got on the chart is the stop loss based on step price, which is something that ProTrader kind of invented, and you need to play around with it a little bit to get the settings that you like that work for you and work for the actual stock that you trade in. You put the date that you entered in, you put the entry price, you put the initial stop loss price, and then you play around with the step price, which is pretty much just steps the trailing stop loss up below, obviously, the price that's trending up. Okay, when the stock is going down or sideways, the trailing stop loss goes sideways. When the stock's going up, it obviously steps up. Okay, it's pretty cool. Play around with it and see if it works for you. The next method is a basic ATR trailing stop. So you go over to your trailing stop again, you click the day that you entered, and then you select ATR, okay? Now, obviously this is a 14-day period ATR, which is a default setting. You can change that to whatever you want. And then you can have a stop loss either 1 times ATR, 2 times ATR, whatever you want. So you put the multiplier in. For example, this example, let's put, say, a stop loss of 2 times the 14 period, ATR, all right? Let's put it in, and then it trails it up. Now, obviously, once again, and this is how all trailing stops work, when the price is going sideways or down, the trailing stop will go sideways itself, okay? It will only go up when the price itself is trending up, all right? All right, the next option is a stop loss based on percentage, all right? So you just click it, you put the date you entered, the entry price, and then let's say you want your initial stop loss 7% away from your current, the current entry price. You put it in and it will trail it up by 7%. Once again, when the price goes down or sideways, the trailing stop loss will go sideways, right? It only goes up, and when the price itself is going up, and this close, for example, today will be 7% below the close of this candle, all right? The last one is a dollar value stop loss, all right? Obviously, you click it here, and it's exactly the same. It works exactly the same as the others. Let's say for this chart, we enter and we want to have it 50 cents away, okay, from the entry price, and when we want to trail it, we just put 50 cents in and it will trail it up by 50 cents, okay? It all works the same. It's all pretty simple to use, but if you have any questions, never hesitate to email support@protrader.com.au. Thanks.